closet must be secured. The first issue is that there has to be a sheath with a continuous air barrier as specified so that it can be sealed to 100% closure with a closure system. Now, in a commercial system, this could be a damper, although there might be other ways to accomplish this. But the point is, you want to have a fire barrier for the mechanical closet. You need to have a certain amount of air intake, but beyond that, you do not want to have the possibility of fire getting in and spreading throughout the building. Another appliance that's evaluated under the code can be found on 4-12, which is my page 54, and this has to do with the electric water heater. If I have a 120-gallon, up to 120-gallon system, it's electric. If, for example, I have a 20-gallon tank, then I would have to have a minimum code 90 in order to meet this code. Table 4-15 talks about exterior lighting. What it's saying here is that there is a maximum amount of wattage that's allowed to be used for exterior lights. Now, one thing you should be aware in general about this code is that it does conflict with other codes. In particular, the gas code. When you're using gas to build a house with for your appliances, you have to realize that there has to be an air exchange so that you don't get too much gas inside the house. This will come in conflict with the energy code. In the event of something like that, it will be the health issue that is taken priority. And so the gas code, for example, would be senior to the energy code if there were a conflict. On page 69, we see table 6-1, and another feature of this code is that it breaks Florida up into climate zones. And although you are not going to be familiar with these particular forms, if you had the forms in front of you, what you would see is that depending on the climate zone you're in, the requirements of a given prescriptive method might change. On table 6-2, we see basically the same issue again, allowable air infiltration rates. This table is a little easier